Hey everybody, and welcome to Robin's house. Today I'm unboxing basically my brand new little mini uh, die cut machine. I never had a little tiny one before, so I thought I would share it with you and see if you what you think. So I have my Big Shot, but this one, you go to do one little die cut and you have to get your whole big machine. So I'm kind of opening this up, and so it comes with a whole bunch of plates to use. And so we've got a base plate, a couple of clear plates, a couple more base plates. They've all got numbers on them, so insert embossing folders in first, which is a good idea. Place dies cutting edge down. So this is the edge you cut on. I'm going to put this here, and then we've got, oh, one and two. This is not a cutting surface. Okay, so that's good. All right, so we're gonna put this two on top of this. And then, so let's grab some, I've got some pretty gold foil, and then I've got one of my Stampin' Up! Extras. Let's see if just a regular sandwich. Oh, this isn't the way I go. I go like this. See if this is enough to squish my sandwich. I think it is. Oh, this is so fun to have a little tiny machine. And it's blue. That's actually why I bought it, because I saw a blue one. Yeah, I think it was a special a little while ago, and then it all of a sudden popped up, and I saw it, and I had to get it. So look at how pretty that is. I love this gold foil and how running it through the die cut machine makes it just look beveled. So cool, like real metal. Anyway, congratulations to me and my brand new itty bitty little die cut machine. I'm so excited. Thank you so much for watching. Happy crafting.